Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We will learn that how to make trigonometric ratios table values. So procedure is this, that you have to form uh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns and 4 rows. And then you have to write the values of angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degrees, 60 degree and 90 degrees, and their equivalent values in radians as well. Uh, in radians, 30 degrees equals to pi by 6 and 45 degrees equals to pi by 4 and 60 degrees pi by 3 and 90 degrees equals to pi by 2. So you have to start like this one, that first you have to write the values of in such a way that you have to begin from the word 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and all these numbers first will be written in this order, then it will be written in the reverse order: 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then you have to divide every number by 4. So every number will be divided by 4. It will be divided by 4. All will be divided by 4. All the values will be divided by 4. Then we will go for the simplification and we will see that what it is, the value. So once we will divide every entry by 4, then we have to take the square root sign and over it, and we will go for the simplification because 0 over 4 is equals to 0. 1 by 4 makes 1 under root will be 1 and 4 under root will be divided by 2 because 4 square root will be 2. So actual value will be 1 by 2. Similarly, 2 over 4 under root, if you will solve it, it will become 1 divided by under root 2. We just paste it for a moment. So actual value will be like this one, 1 over under root 2. And this one will become equals to under root 3 and this under root 3 will be divided by 2, and finally this will become equals to 1. So now we have to see that the simplifications are returning these values. Actually, you have to learn this table yourself by heart. Means that you have to learn all these values orally. Fine, you should know exactly what is the value of sine 30, what is the value of sine 45 and sine 60 and so on. So all these values, once they will be simplified, so it will returning you the values like all the table values. I have explained you that how you can quickly make the table yourself if you have forgotten the value, how to make it. So this value will be same. It will be equals to the above value, that is 1 by 2. And finally, this value will be equals to this value. And finally, the first one will be equals to 1. So once you will are able to arrange the values of sine and cos, tan's value will be quite simpler because tan is equals to sine divided by cos. So you simply have to take the values of first row and second row. That means if I will have to write it like 0 divided by 1, So 0 over 1 will be returning 0. So tan 0 will be 0. And for next these values 1 by 2 and under root 3, you will write 1 by 2. Then again it will be divided by 3 by 2, this value. And its simplification will give you, finally after the cancellation, you will be getting 1 divided by under root 3. It will be 1 divided by under root 3. This will be the solution of this part. Similarly, this value, because these are identical values, so we will divide this value by itself. That is the next value as well. And we will see that both of these values will be equals to 1 because both of these values will be cancelled. So value of sine 45 will be divided by value of cos 45. So consequently, this will give you answer equals to 1. This will be equals to 1. And similarly, from this value, you will be getting simple answer will be under root 3 because you will, once you will divide it, so you will be getting the answer here under root 3, and here it will be 1 divided by 0. So the value will become undefined. So because we don't have any value, so answer will be 1 over 0, that will be equals to undefined. So this is a table which you students have to learn orally. They should know exactly what it is the value. Though you people can use a calculator, but for your efficiency and for your quick working, uh, uh, so you should learn these values by heart, and we will be utilizing it in next questions as well. Now I have to attach this concept with another thing, that it is about how to use a geometrical concept for okay, here I wanted to draw one diagram that you use in such a way